Hey guys, welcome back to Charms Lifestyle channel. Guess what? My life is back at normal now. So I am here. I want to give you, it's not a story time. It's just something that happened while I was in the supermarket. So I want to share it with you. I went to the supermarket to get me some items that I run short of, and I saw two tights or leggings. Some say tights, some say leggings, but I am saying tights because that's what I'm used to. Anyway, I saw some tights that I like, but two caught my eyes, so I decided that I'm gonna buy them. So I took them and I went to cash out after finish picking up my items. I didn't go to a cashier to cash me out. I used the cash to I cash myself out. Okay? But there there is always an attendant who come to your aid if ever you fall in difficulties. So I start cashing and I needed assistance. So the clerk come and help me. But I don't understand because normally when you go to cash out yourself and they see that you have items like clothing, they would normally come to check it to get the buzzer off. You know that buzzer, that beeper that they put on clothes in stores. Because I have bought things there before, so I know they always carry a beeper. But I did check, but I did not feel any. We never feel none. She came to my assistant 3 times because I needed her help, and she came 3 times to my assistant. So because I see that she didn't pay the clothing any attention, I said, okay, maybe they are free of beepers. Anyway, I cash, and after finish cashing now, I'm gonna use my receipt to exit. When I exit, the beeper went off, and I was like, did that go off on me? But I stopped outside. After going outside, I didn't move. I just go through the gate and I stopped, and I I take up the two sides again and I feel them again, and I didn't feel anything. Anyway, I repacked my bag, and because my bag needed packing better, so I did that, and then I left. When I get home, I didn't pay that any attention because I had was to go in the kitchen, so I didn't look at those things. I just unpacked the goods that I bought and I leave those aside. The following day, guys, I took them up now, saying that I'm gonna have a good look at them because I like them. Guys, you know what? When I was there looking at them, when I looked down at the foot, yes, of course, the beepers were there. The beepers were there, guys. Luckily, I did not discarded my receipt. because I don't want them to think that I steal it, and because the beepers are on it, I am taking it back for them to take the beepers off, because I don't know, they will think like that. I took these items with me one day, saying that when I am going back home, I will stop at the supermarket and get the beepers off. No, I had to go into a supermarket to get me a bottle of water. Guys, when I went in the supermarket, when I went through the door, the beeper went off, but I didn't pay any mind. Yes. So when I bought the water and was going back through, the beeper went off again, and then I was like, oh my God, the beeper went off on me. But guess what? No one paid me any attention, and you know why? Because they saw when I came in and the beeper went off. So they didn't pay me any attention. But I didn't know that the beeper would go off at that supermarket. I thought that because it's not there, I bought it, it wouldn't go off. But I was wrong, you know. And then I didn't even remember that they were in my bag until I heard the beeper went off the second time. So guys, I got I got the beepers off, and I'm gonna show you the leggings. So guys, these are the beepers. These are the tights or leggings, whatever you know it as. Yeah. So they put the beepers in the foot of the tight instead of up in the waist. So I did not know, because I feel for them, because I know normally you would have beepers on clothes in supermarkets or anywhere. And I feel for them, but I didn't feel anything, not knowing that it was on the foot. Until I get home, then I realized that's where it was. Whenever time I rock my leggings or my tights, I will let you see sexy me in them. Okay? So I just wanted to share that with you. So for now guys, I'm out. And if you like my video, remember it is Charms Lifestyle. So I promise you that whatever it is about me, I will share it with you. Okay? So this is why I share this little happenings of mine with you. And guys, whoever is watching this video and have not yet subscribed to Mommy Charms Lifestyle channel, please subscribe to Mommy Charms Lifestyle. And my secret viewers, please, when you're watching Mommy Charms, don't forget to give me the thumbs up. Okay? So thank you all for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. So you all have a nice day until we meet again. Okay? Love you all guys. Stay blessed. Bye.